YouTubers, it's me, Boyd, and my dad. We made bacon and eggs. And who gets the bacon and eggs is my teacher, Mr. Roy.
Yeah, so stick around and see how we made this laser engraved sign.
Have you ever seen just a bacon grilling and you smell it and the eggs just going like
Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun with my son Boyd here working in the shop using our laser engraver. What else? Anything else?
Yeah, subscribe, like, tell your friends, leave a like, and goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.